大家好，欢迎回来，这是闲仔教你讲台语。欢迎回来看台语开讲第4课。So welcome back to Taiwanese Conversation Lesson 4. And this one I'm going to talk about going to the gym with a friend and playing some sports and that kind of thing. And I've also got another friend of mine who's a native speaker, Alan, who's going to help me do the conversation for this one. Okay, so same as before, let's get started. 哈，今仔日落雨，我本来打算去拍篮球，无要紧，我带你去阮学校的运动中心，遐有室内的篮球场。哪会遮好？运动中心阁有啥物设施？拢有啊，篮球、网球、游泳池、健身房。敢会贵？袂，我会记得一届100块，啊毋过游泳池另外算。无，我去拍篮球，你要做伙拍无？我无介意拍篮球，我去健身房就好。安尼，我拍煞去健身房找你做伙野冬，好无？好，我先走几轮，等你拍了。Okay, so let's go through the conversation sentence by sentence. Okay, and again we've got the definition or the translation for each individual word on the third line there in the middle, and then the English translation of the whole sentence is down at the bottom. Okay, so the first one here, I really like this one, by the way. This is one of the really cool things about Taiwanese is all the different yuzuzi, or the particles that you say for different moods. So this one is ha. It's kind of like a surprise or disappointment. Ha. Okay, I'll just read the sentence as usual and give you a second or two to say the words after me. Okay. 今仔日落雨，我本来打算去拍篮球，哈，今仔日落雨，我本来打算去拍篮球。Alright. Okay, so the first one here, this is if you speak Mandarin, this one is usually something like 没关系 or 没问题. So in Taiwanese it's 不要紧，不要紧。我带你去阮学校的运动中心。无要紧，我带你去阮学校的运动中心。Okay, next one. 遐有室内篮球场。遐有室内篮球场。 哪会遮好？运动中心，阁有啥物设施 ？And whole sentence， 哪会遮好？运动中心阁有啥物设施？拢有篮球、网球、游泳池、健身房，拢有篮球、网球、游泳池、健身房。敢会贵？敢会贵？卖，我会记得一届100块，啊毋过游泳池另外算。卖，我会记得一届100块，啊毋过游泳池另外算。无，我去拍篮球，你要做伙拍无？Okay, so literally 无 is in neutral tone. 无，我去拍篮球，你要做伙拍无？我无介意拍篮球，我去健身房就好。OK， 我无介意拍篮球，我去健身房就好。安尼，我拍煞去健身房找你做伙举重，好无？安尼，我拍煞去健身房找你做伙举重，好无？Okay, and the last one. 好，我先走几日，等你拍了。好，我先走几日，等你拍了。And you might notice that the Taiwanese here for run is 走, which uses a Chinese character. In Mandarin it's pronounced 走, and it means walk. So actually the older form of this character, it means a run, and it has a similar pronunciation. And if you look up in the radical dictionary, like a Kangxi radical dictionary, you'll see that the meaning of this radical is actually to run. It's not to walk. And walk in Taiwanese, if you're curious, is 行, which is 行 in Mandarin. Okay, so now we were going to read the conversation for you. I've got my friend Alan here. Say hi, Alan. And we go to the gym, so I figured this would be a good conversation. He agreed to help me out with it, so thanks for coming on. Okay, let's get started. 今仔日落雨，我本来打算去拍篮球。无要紧，我带你去阮学校的运动中心，遐有室内篮球场。哪会遮好？运动中心阁有啥物设施？拢有啊，篮球、网球、游泳池、健身房。敢会贵？袂，我会记咧一届100块， 也毋过游泳池另外算。无，我去拍篮球，你袂做伙拍无？我无介意拍篮球，我去健身房就好。安尼我拍煞去健身房，找你做伙举重好无？好，我先走几练，等你拍了。Okay, great. So thanks, Alan. Okay. Okay, so thanks again, Alan, for helping me read that conversation. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button just over there next to my face. And follow this channel so you can learn more Taiwanese with us as I post more conversations. I'm also going to be starting some new series for vocabulary and maybe some more basic stuff in case you've got some friends or anything that are interested in just starting out with Taiwanese, sort of following along with the pronunciation series. So do follow along, do subscribe, do join us over on Reddit, and post any questions or comments you might have or suggestions for new videos. Thanks a lot, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.